If you're an online seller stuck on one platform, you are missing out on how much growth you can have using multi-channel e-commerce. Now guys, I have found an insane platform for you, and when you actually pair that with Fulfillman that I speak about all the time, you have got a win-win situation in the e-commerce space. So this is a one-stop multi-channel platform that's going to save you all them e-commerce problems, guys. Let's dive into this, but always know I have made my success by using tools like this. I've not made it by sitting and holding everything on my own, trying to figure it out on my own. I've used it by finding the tools actually help. And here's two for you today. Let's jump into it. So here you go, guys. EasyChannel.com, the easiest multi-channel e-commerce solution where you can unlock new opportunities and grow your business with this multi-channel e-commerce software. Like I said in the introduction, it is not an afraid thing that you should be thinking when talking about multi-functions, guys. This is something that is a necessity now. Multi-channel integration is a necessity if you want to grow your e-commerce business. Now you can see partnered up with things like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok, Woo, Shopify, and BigCommerce, and you'll see them as I go into the dashboard. All right, I'm actually going to show you what it looks like inside of here, guys. This is a really unique channel because it's easy and simple and straightforward for everyone to get involved with. You don't need a technical background. Cost effective for all stores and sizes. Okay, it's a perfect fit for every online business, and it's integrated with leading selling channels. It's an all-in-one multi-channel solution. So let's get in without any further ado. I don't just want to read words to you today. I want to actually show you exactly what it looks like. So here we are logging in, guys. I'm going to give you a deep insight to what this looks like. So this is what it's like when you go inside. You can see here it says hello and we are logged in. So guys, this is a demo account that I'm using, okay, just to show you. This is not the actual one I'm using. I don't want you to see my personal sales, but the dashboard is very cool. It shows you what you've done today, yesterday, last 7 days, and last 30 days. It shows you the statistics, shipments, alerts, and much more. Now, this is really, really unique, okay, because you will get data from all the multi-platforms that you're using. You don't just get told how much Amazon sold. You don't just get told how much you've sold on eBay. Okay, this simplifies the whole entire multi-channel e-commerce for all sellers. Now, as we go down, you can see the products catalog. All right, this is really, really interesting. It'll go through everything possible in here, whether it's Amazon products, Apple products, IBM products, and much more, guys. All right, you're gonna see all of them in there, including your inventory management, where you can keep all of this all on one page. All right, you can see all the listings in here as well. So if you go to the EasyChannel drafts, scheduled, all these different ones, you can see all different listings. Okay, orders, help desk, contacts. You got the marketing side, which is unique. All right, when you go to the marketing side here, you're gonna see a unique dashboard that's gonna allow you to excel your business as well, guys. And of course, everything what we want in the reports. Now, they managed to keep this extremely user-friendly. Most projects that have been involved, most platforms will make stuff so confusing, don't actually understand what you're looking at, okay? Which is insane. So if you need all of this, this is something you need to look at. Now let's go back to the website. If you want to get involved, guys, just get the 3-day trial, book a demo right now, or sign up, okay? But I want to have a little go at some of the features. You can see you've got the multi-channel listing software, product data management, the AI e-commerce tool, which I'm going to have to show you because so many people online are talking about this now. All right, it's the AI tool that enables you to get more out of your online business using these tools to manage your listings more efficiently, instantly optimizing product data and constantly offering your customers a 5-star service. And you can, of course, demo this as well. All right, this is really, really cool because you can see here just a little preview of this robot. All right, you're going to generate the AI product titles. You're going to get everything to do with the AI helping you out in this process. Again, for you beginners, this is so unique. We didn't have this when I first started in e-commerce. All right, it's time saving. It's going to allow you to generate SEO optimized titles, descriptions, bullet points, creating a smart custom automation for a variety of different work processes, translating product titles and descriptions, updating product data in bulk, unique content, and of course, harnessing the power of AI to map product data and sales. All right, it's an AI SEO that can 10x your business, and I cannot say any more about it without saying get it right this second. There's over 1,000 sellers, okay, that trust this right now, and you can see as we go down just why, okay? We're talking about some of the features here, growing your sales without limits, whether it's the listing software, whether it is the inventory management, the order management, all of these are going to help you get them sales pumping. There's so many use cases, guys, of people that have actually gone through this, the thousands of sellers, like I mentioned, all talking about this on social media. It's time to get in. And when you pair this with probably the greatest fulfillment center that anybody has used, and I will show you exactly why, it's a win-win. Okay, with Fulfillment, they are a fulfillment center, and pairing this up with EasyChannel just makes life easy. You're using multiple channels, multiple platforms integrated to make your e-commerce store grow. But as you grow, you're going to need so much more in the fulfillment services, whether that is fulfillment, dropshipping, or just China branding, product photography, Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, and more, guys. Also, with the private line features they have, you need to check them out. They're featured in some of the biggest magazines in the world, and they can do everything you need inside the e-commerce space, all right? And when you compare that to everything you need to grow in the e-commerce space, is a win-win. To go and check both of these out in the description. Whether that is crowd fulfillment, product photography, like I said, okay? Who wants to choose fulfillment, guys? If you want global reach and local expertise in the fulfillment centers, you need to get here. If you need personalized support, again, a dedicated team that actually is personalized to you and what you are building, again, fulfillment is that place. Just go over here, click this, okay? Click the live support and get in touch. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business, a dropshipper, or a global brand, I promise you, this will help you stay profitable. So if you want to try this out for free, guys, you are more than welcome to. If you want to check out fulfillment, hit the links down below. Go and get involved. I promise you, these tools will change the way you look at e-commerce and probably change the way you make money in e-commerce. So guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. Have a great day.